Hello people, this is a vlog working 8 to 10 inches of snow possibility today. This is just some of the walking around now. It's really windy. By the highway very shortly, just showing you how it is, and I'll see you by the highway. This is gonna be one crazy day, so talk to you later. I'm walking to the highway now. See how road conditions are. And road conditions are really bad. Wow. Whew, and I'm freezing my butt up. Wow. Anyway, this is the Snow Blizzard vlog. Small vlog. It's really windy, dangerous out here. I'm really going back inside. Talk to you in the next vlog. You all have a good day. Good night.